Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to see my real quick review. I've gotten very into doing these real quick reviews because I know if it was me, I just want to see, does this product work? Yes or no? Give it to me straight. I don't need to watch a whole 15-minute video to hear what you gotta think. So that's where I'm going at it for you. I'm trying to give you the quick and dirty of what I think. So today's product is this Lancome Cils, I don't even know how to say it, Booster Lash Revitalizing Serum. I was using this, I don't know, I probably got 2 months or so out of it. So it is a brush that you kind of brush on your eyelashes. I usually do it at night. I think I recommended to do it at night, but either way, that's when I did it. I've seen a lot of negative reviews on this because people say it did not help their eyelashes grow. But that's not what it's marketed as. It's marketed to help repair damaged eyelashes. So if you are someone who maybe uses false eyelashes a lot, or for whatever reason you're rubbing your eyes and you just feel like, it's damaged, just kind of like how your hair would get damaged, your eyelashes could get damaged as well. And that's the main point of this. So I didn't really have a ton of damage to my eyelashes. So maybe I wasn't the best person. Maybe it was not really their target audience for this. But I don't know. Even so, I felt like it didn't do anything. I was hoping it would do something, maybe, I don't know what I was expecting, because I know it was not marketed to make my eyelashes grow. But so I kind of figure, what is the point of this? How many people truly have damaged eyelashes and are willing to spend the price of a Lancome product, because this is not cheap? Click the link down below to see the current cost, because it's always changing. So I don't even, I'll put a cost up here, but who knows if it's different by now. And so bottom line, I just don't see the use of this product. I don't know, maybe if I had really damaged eyelashes, I would think differently, but I think most of us don't. And to spend the money for this type of product, I think is just not worth it. But as always, I would love to hear from you. Let me know if you've tried this and if you've gotten some good results from it, or maybe you also, kind of feel like it's a meh product like I have. If there's anything else you're interested in hearing about, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And as always, stay beautiful. Bye.